Good morning class. Assalamu alaikum. Today we have to start new topic. Topic is addition and subtraction of algebraic fraction. Got it? There algebraic expression are given. Algebraic fraction in the form of algebraic fractions. Algebraic fractions mean the value which is in the form of numerator and denominator. Got it? Algebraic fractions are given. We add or subtract these algebraic expressions. Just like now you come on next page. This is exercise 6b, question number 1. Basic level, express each of the following as a fraction in its simplest form. This is algebraic fractions, 7 by 6a plus 4 by 9a. These algebraic fractions convert into simplest form. This is algebraic fractions because there is numerator and there is also denominator. Got it? First we start from first part. Exercise 6b, question number 1, A part. A part is 7 by 6a plus 4 by 9a. Here the value of numerator is 7 and value is numerator is 4. The value is denominator is 6a and value is denominator is 9a. Got it? When there is plus sign and multiply sign between two algebraic expression, then we take LCM. We take LCM by denominators, mean we take the LCM of denominators. Got it? Here the denominators is 6 and 9. We take the LCM of 6 and 9. First you write solution, then you put equal sign. Now we take the LCM of 6 and 9. 3 2 the 6, 3 3 the 9, 2 1 the 3, and 3 as it is, 3 1 the 3, 3 1 the 3. 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3, 3 2 the 6 multiply by 3, 6 3 the 18. The LCM of 6 and 9 is 18. Got it? The LCM of 6 and 9 is 18. There is a and there is also a. That's why we will put a. Got it? Now the numerator of this fraction is as it is 7. The numerator of this fraction is 7 as it is. Now 6 a. Now you come on denominator, just like this a cancel with this a, एंड 6 का टेबल कहाँ तक पढ़ेंगे, हमारे पास 18 आएगा. 6 3 द 18, 6 3 द 18, and these a's are cancelled. That's why we can't return here. Got it? These a's are cancelled. We can't because these a's are same. That's why we can't return here. And this is 6 and this is 18. 6 3 the 18 plus the numerator of second fraction 4 as it is. Similarly, these a's are cancelled. You just watch denominators, compare denominators. A cancel. 9 1 the 9, 9 2 the 18, mean 2, 9 2 the 18. A's are cancelled to each other. 9 2 the 18. Got it? 3 7 the 21 plus 4 2 the 8, divide 18a. Again 21 plus 8, then we get 29, divide 18a. This is your answer. Got it? These a's and these a's are same, that's why they are cancelled. 6 1 the 6, 6 3 the 18. Similarly, this a's are cancelled. 9 1 the 9, 9 2 the 18, 9 2 the 18. Got it? After this, now you come on B part. B part is, this is B part. B part is 3 divide 2b plus 1 divide 3b minus 5 divide 6b. This is B part. Now the value of denominators are 2, 3 and 6. It's mean we take the LCM of 2, 3 and 6. 2, 3 and 6. Again 2 1 the 2, 3 as it is, 2 3 the 6. 1 as it is, 3 1 the 3, 3 1 the 3. The LCM is 2 3 the 6. Got it? The value, first you write solution, then you put equal sign. The value's LCM is 6. Now you come on first fraction. Okay, the numerator first, and there is b, there is also b, and there is also b in denominator. That's why we also return b with 6. Got it? Now you come on first fraction. The numerator of first fraction is 3. Got it? Now you come on denominator. There is b and there is b. They are cancelled. 2 1 da 2, 2 3 da 6. B's and b's are cancelled. That's why we can't multiply. 2 1 da 2, 2 2 3 da 6. Got it? Now you come on for second fraction. The numerator is plus 1. Again this b cancel. 3 1 da 3, 3 2 da 6. Got it? Minus the numerator of last fraction is minus 5. b cancel. 6 1 da 6, 6 6 1 da 6. Okay, after this 3 3 da 9 plus 2 1 da 2 minus 5 1 da 5, 6b. There is no sign with 9, it means there is plus sign. So plus plus plus, 9 plus 2, 11 minus 5 divide 6b. The answer is 11 minus 5. Then we get 7. 11 minus 5, then we get 6 divided by 6b. This 6 and this 6 are cancelled to each other. The answer is 1 by b. Got it? 11 minus 5, then we get 6 and the denominator is 6b. 6's are cancelled. The answer is 1 by b. After this, C part is same. We take the LCM of 3 and CD. After this, come on D part. D part is 3k and 8k. We take the LCM of 3k and 8k. C part, D part is f minus 4h divide 3k minus 2f minus 5h divide 8k. This is D part. F minus 4h divide 3k minus 2f minus 5k divide 8k. Now we take the LCM of 3 and 8, then we get 3 and 8. Then we get 3 1 da 3, 8 as it is, 1 4 2 da 8 and 2 1 da 2. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4, 3 4 da 12 multiplied by 4, 12 4 da 48. Got it? The values are 48 k. Sorry, 3 4 da 12 multiplied by 2. Sorry, 3 4 da 12 multiplied by 2, 12 1 da 12, 12 2 da 24. Got it? The LCM value is 24k. There is k and there is also k, that's why we will put k. Got it? Now you come out first fraction. The numerator of first fraction is f minus 4h. Okay, k and k are cancelled. 3 1 da 3. 3 का टेबल कहाँ तक पढ़ेंगे? 24 आएगा. 3 8 da 24. 3 8 da 24 minus 2f minus 5h as it is. K are cancelled. 8 1 da 8, 8 3 da 24, 8 3 da 24. Got it? Now h multiplied by f, then h multiplied by minus 4h. Similarly 3 multiplied by 2f, then 3 multiplied by minus 5h. h multiplied by f, then we get 8f minus 8 multiplied by 4, we get 32h bracket close minus 3 multiplied by 2, then we get 6f minus 3 multiplied by 5, then we get 15h. Okay, divided by 24k. Now we open bracket. 8f minus 32h minus 6f. This is minus. When we open bracket, this sign will be changed. Minus minus plus 15h divide 24k. Okay, after this, now we combine like terms. Like terms mean same variable. Just like we combine 8f minus 6f. After this, minus 32h plus minus 32 plus 15h divide 24k. Now the answer is 24k plus minus minus 8 minus 6, then we get 2f, and then minus plus minus 32 is the biggest value, that's why we will put minus 32 minus 15, then we get 17h. This is answer. Got it? This is the D part of question number 1. After this, E part is same. Now you come on F part because there are 3 fractions. Got it? That's why we start F part. F part is P plus 3 divide 2z plus P minus 1 divide 6z minus 2P plus 1 divide 3z. Now we take the LCM of 2, 3 and 6. 2, 3 and 6. 2, 1 da 2, 3 as it is, 2, 3 da 6, 1 as it is, 3, 1 da 3, 3, 1 da 3. 2 multiplied by 3 we get 6. The values of LCM is 6. The value of LCM is 6. Got it? Now you come with first fraction. First fraction is P plus 3 divide 2z. The numerator of first fraction is as it is, P plus 3. Again there is z, there is also z, and there is also z. That's why we put z with 6. Got it? And then z cancel with z because these are same in numerator. And 2 1 da 2, 2 3 da 6. 2 1 da 2, 2 3 da 6. Got it? Now you come on second fraction, P minus 1. This z are cancelled because they are same in numerator. 6 1 da 6, 6 1 da 6, 6 1 da 6. Got it? After this, minus 2p plus 1. Z's are same, they are cancelled. 3 1 da 3, 3 2 da 6. Got it? Now we multiply by 3 with p and 3 with 3. 3p plus 3 3 da 9 plus 1 multiplied by p we get p minus 1 multiplied by 1 we get 1 minus 2 to the 4 4p plus 2 1 the 2 divide 6c. Now we open brackets. 3p plus 9 plus p minus 1 minus 4p plus minus minus 2 divide 6c. After this we combine like terms just like p, p and p. 3p plus p minus 4p. After then this is 9 plus 9 minus 1 and minus 2 6c. Got it? Now we solve the like term just like p plus p, then we get 4p and this minus 4p as it is. P 3p plus p, then we get 4p, this minus 4p as it is. Got it? Plus minus minus 9 minus 1 we get 8. We put the bigger sign of biggest value plus and this minus 2 as it is. 6c. This is plus 4p and this is minus 4p, they are cancelled. Then plus minus minus, then we get 6 minus 2 we get 6 divide 6c. 6 also cancel, 1 by z is answer. Got it? After this, question number 2. Now we start question number 2. Question number 2 is same from just like question number 1. Express each of the following as a fraction into the simplest form. These values also in the form of fraction. We convert into the simplest form. First part is 5 by a plus 3 by a plus 4. This is the first part of question number 2. Now we take the LCM of numerator. Numerator is this value in the form of this value in the form of algebraic expression, and this is variable. That's why we can't take LCM, we just write as it is. Got it? If the value is in the form of constant, just like 2, 6 and 3, then we take LCM. But this is in the form of algebraic expression a plus 4, and this is a variable. That's why we can't take LCM, we write as it is numerators. Got it? When we take LCM, we write as it is. Now you come on first fraction, 5 as it is, numerator as it is. Now you come on denominator. This a and this a are same, they are cancelled, and this a plus 4 is in denominator, but there is no a plus 4 in denominator. Got it? यहाँ पे a plus 4 है डिनोमिनेटर में, बट फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन के डिनोमिनेटर में a plus 4 नहीं है. दैट्स वाई वी राइट a plus 4 मल्टीप्लाई a plus 4. You also just write a plus 4. Okay, plus 3 as it is, numerator as it is. Now you come on denominator. A plus 4 are same, they are cancelled. There is a, but there is not a in denominator. That's why we multiply by a. Got it? Now 5 multiply by a, then we get 5a plus 5 for the 20 plus 3 multiply by a, then we get 3a. It's too much easy and simple. We combine like term, 5a plus 3a plus 20 divide a into a plus 4. 5 plus 3, then we get 8a plus 20 divide a into a plus 4. After this, this is answer. Okay, we have done first part. After this, now you come on B, C and D, they are same. Now we start E part. E part is question number 2 part E. E part is 11 divide 3h minus 7 plus 2 into 6 minus 5h. These values in the form of algebraic expression, the numerator in the form of algebraic expression. That's why we can't take LCM, we just write here just like this, 3h minus 7, 6 minus 5h. Got it? There is 11. Now you come on numerator, there is 11, that's why we written here. Now you come on denominator, 3h minus 7, 3h minus are 7, they are same, that's why they are cancelled. 6 minus 5h is here, there is no 6 minus 5h, that's why we multiply by 6 minus 5h. Plus 2, 6 minus 5h and 6 minus 5h are same, that's why we can't return here. And there is 3h minus 7, there is no, that's why we multiply by 3h minus 7. Now we multiply by 11 with 6, then 11 with 5. We get, now first we multiply by 11 with 6, then we get 11 with 6, then we get 66 minus, now we multiply by 11 with 5, we get 55h plus 2 3 the 6, 6h minus plus minus minus 7 2 the 14 divide 3h minus 7, 6 minus 5h. Now we combine like term, 66 minus 14 minus 55h plus 6h divide 3h minus 7, 6 minus 5h. Okay, after this we solve these values. The answer is, when we subtract this, there is plus sign and there is minus sign. When we subtract this, then we get this is D part, sorry, not C part, this is D part. When we subtract this, then we get 66 minus 14, 52, and then 55 minus 6, then we get 49 minus 49h. 3h minus 7, 6 minus 5h. This is answer. Got it? Question number 1, C and E part. C and E part. Question number 1, and question number 2, B, C and D. This part H work. Got it? C and E part, B, C, D, these parts, which were